Whether you're unboxing a new Samsung or just starting over in 2026, there's a right way to set it up. Today, we're going step by step through the must-change settings to make your phone faster and more personalized. Let's get to work. Before anything, I recommend switching your navigation buttons to swipe gestures. Go to Settings, Display, scroll down, and tap Navigation bar. Inside, you can choose swipe gestures. Under More Options, there are additional settings you can tweak. This gives you more screen space and a futuristic feel at the same time. Just swipe along the bottom line to switch between apps easily. But while we're in settings, let's do the one thing Samsung doesn't want you to know. Go to Connections, More Connection Settings, then Private DNS. Tap Private DNS Provider Hostname and type in dns.adguard.com. Hit Save. You just blocked almost every annoying banner ad on the web and inside your apps. No third-party app required. If you visit the AdGuard DNS website, you'll find 2 more links you can use as private DNS host names. I'll drop all the links in the description below so you can try them out as well. Next, that power button isn't just for turning the phone off. Go to Advanced Features, Side button. I set mine to a double press to open Google Wallet so I can pay instantly, but you can map this to your flashlight or any app you use daily. Next, let's set up 3 gesture settings. Go back to the Advanced Features menu and open Motions and Gestures. There, enable double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. Most smartphones don't even have this feature, so users have to install a third-party app for it. But Samsung has a built-in option for that. And while you're here, toggle on alert when phone picked up. If you missed a text while your phone was on the table, it'll give you a subtle haptic buzz the second you grab it. It's genius. After that, let's turn off auto updates to save storage and data. Go to the Play Store, then Settings. Under Network Preferences, tap Auto Update Apps and choose Don't Auto Update Apps. Also, select Autoplay Videos and turn it off. Now you can update apps whenever you want, which helps save your mobile data and storage. Similarly, go to the Galaxy Store and do the same. The last guide went viral, but the pace was intense. Today is all about getting the basics right. I'm already working on part 2 for the power users, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss those pro-level tips. Now, let's get back into the display and battery settings. Go to Settings, then Battery. Tap Battery Protection and set it to Basic. Also, turn on Adaptive Protection. What this does is stop charging at 80% while you're asleep and then finish charging to 100% just before you wake up. If you don't wake up, it will pause charging again until the battery drops to 95%. If you're using a Galaxy Watch, Adaptive Protection will be even more accurate. We need to talk about your screen. Samsung ships this phone set to 1080p resolution to save battery, which is a waste of this gorgeous display. Go to Settings, Display, then Screen Resolution, and crank it up to QHD+. I previously mentioned that it would consume more battery because Samsung states that here, but many of you commented on the last video saying it doesn't drain that much battery. I've tested this, and the battery drain is minimal, but the sharpness is incredible. For the next feature, stay in Display Settings and tap Motion Smoothness. Set it to Adaptive if available. This gives you smoother animations and automatically adjusts the refresh rate when needed. Speaking of smoothness, let's turn up the animations a little bit. I'm not talking about developer options. I guess you already know about the Good Lock app. If not, go to the Galaxy Store and install it. Inside Good Lock, we need the Home Up module. Open it, go to Gesture Settings, then Home Gesture Animation Tuning. From here, you can customize the home screen animations the way you want. You can make them slower or faster than the default. There's also a separate section for advanced tuning, but that's for another video. You can tune the app Open Animations as well. No one offers this level of customization other than Samsung, and that's why One UI is one of the best UIs out there. Now, let's choose a keyboard. I like the Samsung keyboard, but for the default setup, I prefer Gboard. It's smooth and feature-packed, with S Pen writing support, glide typing, and better word suggestions while typing. The emojis also look nicer on Gboard, and it has something unique called Emoji Kitchen. As the name suggests, you can mix emojis and create fun combinations. It works in most chat apps, so you can have some fun with it. If you prefer the Samsung keyboard, it's packed with some crazy customization options. First, you need to install the Keys Cafe module in GoodLock to unlock those features. It recently got updated with a new Home tab and more options, although some functionalities were removed. Still, it's one of the most customizable keyboard apps out there. If you've installed a screen protector, the touch sensitivity might feel lower. So go to Settings, then Display, scroll down, and enable touch sensitivity to increase the screen's responsiveness. Also, when registering your fingerprint, add the same finger twice for better accuracy. You can also register fingers from both hands for easier access. Registering the same finger multiple times can noticeably improve recognition accuracy, so give it a try. Alright, let's edit the lock screen. First, choose a clock style that fits your vibe. There are a couple of styles available to choose from. You'll also find widgets here. There are plenty of widget options, but the space is limited, so pick only what you really need. If you want to see more lock screen customization, like the pinned comment below. And if it gets 100 likes, I'll definitely make that video. Android has built-in Material You theme customization. Just tap and hold on the home screen, select Wallpaper and Style, then go to Color Palette. Once you enable it, it will show matching color presets based on your wallpaper. Choose one and hit Apply. Now the theme reflects across your entire phone. If you want deeper theme customization like custom icons, check out this video after this. While you're on the home screen, try adding widget stacks. Just tap and hold a widget, and you'll see the option to stack it with another widget. A lot of users complain about home screen clutter, but never use stacked widgets. So go ahead and try widget stacks right now. Next, let's look at the camera. There's a lot to talk about, but today I'll only mention the most useful features to improve your photos and videos. And like I said earlier, stay tuned for part 2. First, go to Camera Settings. Enable Shot Suggestions, which helps guide you for better framing. Then go to Intelligent Optimization, set it to maximum, and turn on Scene Optimizer. This automatically adjusts quality, skin tones, contrast, and vividness in your photos. Next, enable Composition Guide to add grid lines and a level indicator, which helps you capture more stable and well-aligned shots. For videos, enable Video Stabilization to reduce shakiness. Also turn on Tracking Autofocus so the camera keeps focusing on your subject even when it moves. Now go to Advanced Video Options and select HEVC. It compresses videos much more efficiently than the standard format and saves storage space on your phone, so make sure to switch that on. Lastly, to improve usability and ease of access, we can do a few more things. In the Quick panel, tap the pen icon, then tap Edit to organize your tiles the way you like. For easier access, place your most used shortcuts on the right-hand side, if you're right-handed like me, and arrange them based on importance and usability. If you prefer the old Quick panel style that shows shortcuts and notifications in the same panel, go back to the Edit screen and tap Panel Settings. Here, you can choose Together to switch to the old style, or select Separate to keep the new layout. Next, open the Edge panel and tap the pen icon. You can add any apps you want here, but try to keep only the ones you actually use. This way, you can launch apps instantly without going back to the app drawer. By default, apps open with a touch and hold, but you can change it to tap to open. You can also enable the option to show recent apps in the Edge panel. For even more customization, check the Home Up module in GoodLock, as it includes additional Edge panel features. I've done a deeper walkthrough on this, so check out the linked video here. For the last tip, arrange your most used apps in the app drawer, closer to the corners for easier reach. Since I'm right-handed, I place mine toward the right corner. Try organizing your apps based on how you naturally hold your phone. That covers the essential foundation for your Samsung in 2026, but we're just getting started. In part 2, we're going deep into the God-tier customizations, including how to completely change your multitasking layout, hidden tricks you've never seen, and the one setting that makes your big phone easy to handle. If this video helped you, drop a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss the pro-level deep dive. While you wait for part 2, check out this video here on the top 10 apps you need to install right now to finish your setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.